MHC Kenworth, Denver. For sale right now at MHC Kenworth in Denver is this 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. This 72-inch mid-roof sleeper comes equipped with a Detroit DD13 410 horsepower engine, and it's got a 13-speed manual Eaton Fuller transmission. 22.5 LPs all the way around are freshly polished after our detail job, and this truck also comes equipped with a brand new DOT inspection so you can get right to work. To make this truck yours, give MHC in Denver a call today at 888-592-4070.